no school. This is Sunday out.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is
Me
that
me study 7 o'clock on the 11 o'clock. Me in the study. Evening 1 o'clock on the 5 o'clock. And me in the study. Yeah.
That's very
Wow.
nice.
Yeah,
This is a
thank
good
you.
job, huh? How many jobs do you have? Have one job, right?
Yes.
Oh, good job.
Thank you.
Good job
Yeah.
in school. That's very nice.
You school today?
Today is Sunday. No school.
Oh, Sunday no school. Why no school Sunday?
On the Monday. On the Monday, I me in the study.
Oh, on the Monday?
Yeah, Monday on the Saturday.
Oh.
Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday.
Oh,
Sunday
wow.
no school.
Oh, Sunday no school because the government is not allowed for people to go to school on the Sunday, right?
Sunday no.
No. Oh, good.
In the
Yeah.
day out.
Yeah. Why you
out.
come here? Why you come here? Why you come here? You want to sell something?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What is that?
In the bracelet.
Oh, the bracelet?
Yeah.
You make by your own? With
me,
your family?
No, me
No?
in the buy in the same rib.
Oh, you buy a Sim Reap. This is Sim Reap. This is Sim Reap, right? How much you sell?
This one $2.
$2. Wow, very expensive. Why?
I mean buy in the sim rib one for 3,000 riyal.
Oh, one for 3,000 real.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So you got a 1,000 real, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Good businessman, right?
Yeah, thank
Why
you.
you don't want make in these villages?
What?
Why you don't make by yourself?
Me in the cell. Mother
Oh.
for me in the home.
Oh, at home. Good answer.
The
Clever.
and the father for me in the visit.
Oh,
The lake.
in the lake?
Yeah.
Oh.
Big lake.
Oh, big lake.
Fish a lot.
Oh, fish a lot.